Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I'm going to share some jars with these clear, they're called Dream Collectors, and I'm using this set to use it with my shell stickers instead of my flower stickers. Let me show you my flower stickers that we use. So the other day I made some with flowers stickers. They're so pretty. And then I thought, well, I'm doing a beach journal, so why not do one with shells? And so that's what we're going to do today. Just have some fun. I am offering a packet and a hidden giveaway of these and these jars. They're called Dream Collectors, and you get 20. So there's a bunch of different ones in here, and you just put the word dream in the comments below. You do have to be a subscriber, etc., etc. All the details are in my June 1st video, because that's when this will be drawn, and I think you'll really like it. Also, I've linked below what I purchased at Amazon along with my affiliate link. So we're going to make some that are not necessarily flowers, which I use flower stickers for, but we're going to use my fun shell stickers. And we are doing a really cool journal, and I thought, well, this would be super fun to have jars. Now these are actually stickers, so I do want you to know that. And let's see if I can get this off. I had pulled it last night for live so everybody could see. This is an actual sticker. It's a pet sticker, so it's that clear plastic, and it will stick down on your page or onto something if you want to. So, or you could leave it and make it its own little pocket if you wanted to do that. So all I do is I pick 3 or so stickers, kind of see how I want them, larger usually in the back, smaller usually in the front, and then I just put them together kind of in a collage, and they just turn out so cute. The flowers particularly, everybody just fell in love with the flowers, but I also really like these shells, and so I'm just going to make some more. I have some smaller ones too. The flowers that I have available, it's in the link is in that video. I'll link the video down below too, from when I did the flowers ones. But those were came, let me just spit my words out, came with these smaller ones automatically. So they just all came together, and it was pretty cool. So I've got these smaller ones, and then I purchased these larger ones for fun. And it's just easy and fun to make. I mean, it's just so beautiful. So I'm just making some. Would you guys like some? I mean, would you like this as like a happy meal? Is this a fun project that you think you could do? You wouldn't have to even have glue, so you could do it with your kiddos and, you know, that kind of thing, or your grandkids. I might just leave that one like that. Let's see, we've got, oh, look at that. So we'll just do a couple more of these little ones. Oh, look, I didn't know I had a whale tail in there. Well, that's pretty awesome. And these stickers, actually, not making it any harder, these are really easy to pull off. Some of these pet stickers like this are rather difficult to get the backing off, the carrier sheet or whatever you want to call it. These come off pretty well. So we'll just put that one there. I really think I need another one, but I don't see any little ones that could go on there. Now I did get another set, which it's almost exactly the same, but they were 2 different offerings on Amazon, so I wanted to kind of see the differences. These are a little bit more iridescent. Ooh, yeah, these are pretty. Yeah, really pretty. Oh, look at that one. That one looks like a pearl necklace just sitting right there. Okay, I might leave this one with 2 because that's a smaller one. And let's put something really pretty in there. No, I don't want to cover that up. How about this shell? Anyway, this is just for fun. I hope that you'll be able to get some of these or put in the comments so you can enter for the giveaway. And maybe you'll get some. You can get you some stickers, whichever kind you want. Also, just to mention, I mean, you could use really pressed flowers if you wanted to. Dried flowers, pressed flowers. I kind of like the stickers just because then I know they're not going to get messed up. But they are so lifelike. They're really pretty. I'm going the wrong way. There we go. These. So much. We're not going to do the butterfly. These iridescent ones are so pretty. So we'll put that one there. And then look at this one. Look how pretty that is. I hope you can see it good. I just went hog wild over here. All Christy about it. Okay, let's see. We have a little one we could put there. That one. We could put that one. It goes over the bow. Good, put that one. Let's do that one. So I hope you enjoy it. It's just fun. Easy craft. Easy to do. I feel like I don't even have to talk. I just do. Really, really fun. And I'll just do one more pretty one. Let's see, which ones do I want in it though? Okay, let's put this one in the back. And then I'll have to make some more because I think these might be Hondo and Gracie picks. And these ones. Although I like the flowers too, so don't get me wrong, I love the flowers. But the shells, because of being, because of my journal, I just wanted to do shells. Do you guys like Seaside Stories yet? Have you looked at it? It's a really fun one. I made a few extras, so I hope the light's not too bad on it, but I added in some small ones like this jellyfish and a heart, and then, you know, the pearls, and so pretty. Just so many different options, and everyone can be different. They don't all have to be the same. Like this one's so pretty and brought that purple into the forefront. This one is pretty too. Just so many. They're just beautiful, and they're stickers, so that's even better. But I'll try to get a close-up for you. Links are below in the description, and then don't forget to enter the giveaway. Put the word dream to get a 20-piece set of these Dream Collector pet stickers that look like bottles. So thanks so much for watching.